We are appealing for any other state agency that is looking for him. They communicate through my office. My number is known. The law firm is, everybody knows my law firm. Let anybody who wants him look for him. I'll present him, whether it is at Kenya Airways, whether it's at a police station, whether it's at ATPU. That is now an undertaking by the law firm that we shall produce him at any time when anybody wants him.
One that I'm worried for my life based on the threats that the head of corporate security for Kenya is threatened me in his office when we were just two of us on 27th of February. Yes.
And terrorism police unit. They are saying that he was sponsored by other people to destroy the diplomatic relationship between this country and the commercial interests of this country and the Chinese interests of this country. And therefore, as he's a man on the run. These issues have already been dealt with the courts. The courts have declared that those airlines cannot land in this country. The courts have declared that those people who he himself as a security and a patriot of the biggest order of this country be traced and be detained in military installations for the safety of every Kenyan, the 47 million Kenyans that are there. The president himself has acted out of his action and disbanded the medical team that had been placed aside in place to deal with the corona issue. He has acted through Executive Order number 2 to institute measures, drastic measures to protect the life and safety of Kenyans. Therefore, before the nation, here is a man who has saved the nation, but who is being branded a terrorist. We will be moving to court on Monday. We are filing our matters in court on Monday. One, to seek protection, state protection for his life, because as you can see, he has taken quite some time to come and address this media. He is traumatized. He is totally paranoid. He cannot even address the media, especially when he knows that his action to save 48 million Kenyans has been construed to be an action against the state in form of a criminal offense called terrorism. So he's worried, and we urge the whole nation to be aware that the security of my client simply hangs on the state apparatus so that he's not destroyed. So we'll be moving to court to seek those orders on Monday. 2, he was served with a letter of suspension, a letter that does not exist in law. The principles of suspension are very clear. Once somebody is suspended, he is put on half pay. But that letter, as you see, it says that he is on full pay, but he is suspended. Those provisions are not there in law. We will be moving to the employment court to seek for suspension of those orders and the revocation of that order, that letter, to allow him resume to work and continue protecting the Kenyans at large. And lastly, we shall also be moving to court to seek that he be accorded state security. These are few Kenyans who are whistleblowers. We remember in the BBI report we are saying we will give 5% for the whistleblowers in the anti-corruption matters. Yet we are charging, we intend to arrest and charge those ones who are whistleblowing to save the life of Kenyans. The nation should look at what is happening globally. Each country has taken measures to protect its citizens, and his action is why the citizens of this country are now safe, and the paranoia that was there seems to have settled. Any questions to that? He'll not be able to talk. He's a worried man. I've taken him. The family doesn't know that he's alive. They're looking for him. So everybody is worried that his life is in danger. So you'll kindly allow that he does not address the media. He's totally worried about his life.